Nĩ mũmera ũrĩa kaingĩ arĩithia mahiũ monaga mahiũ mao makĩũrĩa makahiũka nda kumana na hathara ĩrĩa manatũngio nĩguo nĩ mahiũ gũkua maũrĩa kumana na mĩigua ĩrĩa ĩkoragwo mahuti-inĩ maguo na itunda rĩrĩa rĩgucagĩrĩria mahiũ.
Kuna wakati community land CLMC wale viongozi wana mobilize community wamalize hii mmea. Wanajaribu kumobilize na kwa siku wanapea watu kama 400 ama 500 watoe ile kwa uproot, kung'oa na kusanya mahali moja. Unakuta kwa mwezi wanafanya kama eka 4 ama eka 5, sababu zinatengeneza clusters nyingi. So unakuta inakuwa stress kuondoa.
The goats that were feeding on cactus pellets were able to increase even upwards of 9 kilograms within a period of 85 days, which is quite positive. So this shows that this pellet becomes quite useful as a livestock feed. Now, going on from here, it will then be important for us to be able to produce this pellet commercially.
No rĩu arĩithia mahiũ kaunti ya Laikipia marorete kũhũmũka hathara ya mũmera ũyũ wa mahura thutha wa thuthuria University wa Jomo Kenyatta gũthundũra njĩra ya kũũthĩa na kũũtua irio cia mahiũ.
Countries such as Brazil, countries such as Mexico, Tunisia and South Africa are actually having large plantations of cactus that they've planted in their dry lands and they are using the biomass to feed livestock. Kenya is more than 80% dry, and therefore there is need to relook, not to introduce crops that are not adapted to those areas, but rather crops that already exist in those areas that can perform better.
Maugĩte nĩ ndeto njega amu nĩ ikinya rĩgũthondeka mĩeke ya mawĩra na wĩingĩ wa irio matũũra-inĩ ma Laikipia.
Ni mainjio zingine ambayo zitaungana katika kusaidia wananchi hii upunde igeuke iwe biashara ni mzuri sana, sababu saa hii sasa si adui, amekuwa ni faida kwetu, imekuwa ni biashara, sababu kama mbuzi inakula inanona na tunauza tunapata pesa. Upande ile ingine tunaweka moto, tunawakisha moto, tunaacha kukata makaa, tunaanza ile mafurugano ya kusema wacheni kukata kuni miti.
Ona kũhana ũguo arĩa maratabania ũthundũri ũyũ augĩte nĩ hĩndĩ mararĩkĩrĩria mĩtaratara ya gũtua ũthundũri ũyũ biacara, na no nginya wambe ũhĩtũkio nĩ honge iria ithurimaga irio cia mahiũ amu mararĩ gĩkĩro kĩa kũgeria.
We hope that in the next maybe 1 year or 2 years we should be able to producing cactus using the invasive one, but long term we'll be producing the cactus pellets using the cultivated cactus.
In these areas can really transform the livelihoods of this region and even change the livelihood of pastoral communities.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV njĩtagwo Njenga Wambui.